Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are about to fix some homemade biscuits. Yes, homemade biscuits. And it's not by me. It's gonna be by my niece that came to visit from Atlanta, Georgia. Okay, Lonnie, here we go.
Don't mind me, I'm helping Rise and Shine make homemade biscuits. Homemade biscuits, are you ready? Hello, Rise and Shine. We're gonna make homemade biscuits. You'll need 4 ingredients: flour, milk, sugar, and Crisco stick. 2 cups of flour, a cup of milk. You'll need about a 1/3 cup of sugar. And there you have it, homemade biscuits.
Now you gotta record.
I need a sifter to pour your flour in so you can sift it.
Yeah.
Make sure you do have self-rising flour, and you would need a sifter to sift the flour. Sugar. You need Crisco sticks. And you'll mash it in the flour. And you're just gonna mash that butter in with the flour and the sugar before you add the milk. Now we're about to add some whole milk to your flour, sugar, and oil. Pour it in there, whisk it around a little bit. Here's the texture before you add the flour, and roll your biscuits. Need some parchment paper. Sift you a little flour. We need an oil pan to put your biscuits on when you roll them. This is the way you make homemade biscuits. It's in the roll of the hand. There you have it, Rise and Shine. You need a spoon in there. This is the way you roll a biscuit. Here you have it. That's what your biscuit will look like. You're done. Now, you can stop. If you don't mind me, will you please preheat the oven? And we're gonna preheat it to about 350. cook those biscuits about 20 minutes
350.
on 350.
Right.
You got some one more little piece. It don't be all that here. What they say? Cook. All right, they're ready for the oven. Thanks for watching, Rise and Shine.
Go.
And into the oven we go. On 350. Before they're done, take them out the oven, brush a little butter across the top, and broil. Broil for about 45 seconds with the butter to your color. Got some hot syrup on top of your biscuit, and we're gonna have Mimi as a tester.
I can do it. I can do it.
We got some testers in here,
Can I do it? I can do it for real.
and I'll even try it myself.
It melts in your mouth.
Melts in your mouth. That is good though, Mimi. I taste the butter in it. Delicious. Rise and shine. I can't tell about that syrup. Now you.
Why not these? Syrup was already on there.
Yeah, sir.
What, or you want me to act like I'm putting it on there for YouTube? Who made these?
Rise and shine.
You made these? These better than yours.
That's why we had to put them on.
Yeah.
Why you think
Rise
we
and
had
shine
to
made them.
These better than God's and Sound. Boy.
What's the rise and shine?
That's just on your people ain't nothing. I see.
Alright, that's
It just seemed like, oh.
It looks good with syrup. It's so warm. 10 out of 10. Would eat again.
ain't no 10 out of 10. Well, it depends on what we're comparing it to.
Well, we already know they better than
What you had this
than them flat biscuits, the 7-Up biscuits this morning.
My sister made these biscuits, and I always go over to her house and be like, "Oh, can I get one hot out of the oven?" So let's see. Melt in your mouth, as good as I always thought they were. Thank you, sissy. Let me get another plate because it's for back.
I thought we were supposed to eat these with the red beans.
My husband know I can cook. I have to feed him. He's like, you want some syrup?
I thought we were supposed to eat these with the red beans.
We did for that. He's red beans. That's why I said.
The red beans ain't gonna be ready for
Right.
Man, he's so good. I think we need another bag.
Rise and shine.